Hi, today let's make one pot chana recipe, which is a protein-packed rice. In a cooker, add in oil. Once the oil has heated, I've added in cumin seeds. Once the cumin seeds flutters, add in sliced onions. You can see the ingredients are on the screen. Once the onion turns mushy, I'm adding in ginger garlic paste and slit green chilies. If you like the rice to be more spicy, you can increase the slit green chilies. Give all these ingredients really very good mix. Next, I'm adding in salt. This is, you can adjust it as per your taste. Next, I'm adding in some Kashmiri chili powder. This is for the color. Next, I'm adding in turmeric powder and chole masala. This is easily available in any supermarket or any convenience store next to you. Give all the ingredients really very good mix. And next, I'm adding in soaked chana. This chana I've soaked it overnight. Again, give or saute the chana really very well with the masala. Add in water and give two whistles, 2 to 3 whistles, and then your chana should be ready. So this step is like, first, you once the chana is boiled, look at it, this is how the chana, just take one chana and mash it, and then you can see whether the chana is boiled or no. Now I'm adding in soaked basmati rice. Once you add the basmati rice, give it a good mix, see to that the ingredients are mixed, and again give another whistle, and your tasty one pot chana, protein packed chana rice is ready to serve. You can finally garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves. You can serve it just like that, or you can serve it with any kind of green chutney or any kind of salads or any kind of yogurt, or any kind of masala yogurt. If you like my recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. As I always say, enjoy your food and enjoy.